This is exercise 14.2, question number 2. The following data gives information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. That means there are 225 electrical components are there and their lifetime is given. Okay, now look at the table here. Lifetime in hours in the first column and frequency in the second column. There are 10 components whose lifetime is between 0 to 20 hours. There are 35 components whose lifetime is between 20 to 40 and so on. Okay, they are telling us to determine the modal lifetimes of the components. In short, we need to find out the mode. Let us see the answer now. Here, for the mode, it is very simple. Only two columns are there, whatever they have given us in the question. Same two columns I have written. For the mode, first you will choose the maximum frequency. So which is the maximum frequency here? 61. This you are going to call it as F1. And this class interval you will say this is the modal class. So first let me write down here. Modal class, which is equal to 60 to 80. So 60 is the lower limit. So L is equal to 60. And if I want to find out the class size means what? Upper limit minus the lower limit. This is the upper limit, this is the lower limit. 80 minus 60 will become what? 20. Okay. Now, once again look at the table. Now, frequency of the previous class, of the modal class. This is the modal class. And this one is the frequency of the previous class. And this frequency, we will name it as F0. And frequency of the succeeding class, that is F2. We can mention this one in the table itself. Okay. Now, we know F1, we know F0, we know F2. Correct? Let us write down the formula to find out the mode. So, mode, which is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This formula you have to remember, right? 2-3 times, just practice it or see it properly. You will memorize it. Now I'll just substitute the values here. Lower limit is 60 plus F1 is 61 minus 52 divided by 2 times 61 minus 52. F2 is what? 38. So minus 38 into 20. Look at the calculation here. 60 as it is plus 61 minus 52 comes as 9. Divided by 61 into 2 is 122 minus 52 minus 38 is minus 90 into this 20, which is equal to 60 plus 9 and this 20. It becomes 180 and 122 minus 90. It is 32. We'll show the cancellation now. 4 8s are 32. 4 4s are 16. 2 is remaining. 4 5s are. It means that 60 plus 45 by 8. Here 8 1s are 8 5s are 40. Decimal point 5 is remaining. 8 6 are 48. 2 is remaining. Then 20, right? 8 2s are 16. 4 is remaining. 8 5s are 40. It means that 60 plus 5.625. 60 plus 5.625. And sum comes as 65.625. Correct? Hours. So, mode of the data is 65.625 hours. I hope all of you understood this sum. Thank you.